Now before I washed the hair, it really felt like the hair was stale. That's the only way I could put it. It felt like the hair was stale. What's up, y'all? So today's video is going to be another Janet collection review. They was nice enough to send your girl over some fairly new products from the Esha Girl collection. Now, they did drop their shampoo and they leave-in detangler. So I'm super excited to be reviewing these products for you guys and letting you guys know what I think. So the first product we have here is the Esha Girl shampoo. Now, this bottle that I have here is in a 4 fluid ounce bottle. It is a travel size, but they do have a 12 fluid ounce regular size bottle. So if you're somebody who want bigger products, you do have another option. I do like the fact that they travel size products are 4 fluid ounces. Now, this shampoo can be used on human hair and synthetic hair. It can also be used for wigs, weaves, as well as hair pieces. So the way you use this product is if you're using it on synthetic wigs, it states to use cold water, and if you're using it on any type of human hair wigs, human hair extensions, hair pieces, it do state to use lukewarm water. And it do says apply shampoo mid shaft all the way to the ends of the hair. Follow up with the Esha leave-in conditioning detangler. The next product we have here is the Esha leave-in conditioning detangler. This do come in a 4 fluid ounce bottle. The regular size do come in 8.8 fluid ounce bottle. Like I said, this 4 fluid ounce bottle is a travel size. So the way you use this product is on damp or semi-dry hair. Apply from roots to tips. Apply directly to wigs for even distribution, then blow or air dry and then style as needed. Now, this leave-in do come in a pineapple scent. So I'm super excited to see how this smells. Now, some of the benefits of both of these products is it removes knots and tangles from the hair as well as wigs. It's suitable for all hair types, even natural hair and braids. It is enriched with natural ingredients to nourish and moisturize the hair. It helps reduce frizz and leaves the hair feeling soft. Now, these products are cruelty-free, free of any harsh chemicals, sulfates, and parabens. So let's jump right into this review. Okay, guys, so I don't know if I said this earlier, but I'm going to be revamping this wig. Y'all see how this wig look? Like, it's like a whole bird nest on top of this wig. Some of my tracks is slipping out. I gotta tighten some of these tracks, but that looks crazy. I'm gonna do this wig as if it was my own natural hair. So normally when I do my own hair, I normally detangle me and my daughter's hair first, and then I go in with my shampoo process and stuff like that. So I'm scared to just put this in the water and just try to shampoo it because I don't want it to knot. We're trying to revamp and preserve what we got. So I'm going to go ahead and smell it. Ooh. Y'all, it smells really, really good. I love the fragrance of it. The pineapple scent is not too strong. It's not overbearing. I do like that. So I'm going to go ahead and see how it sprays. Okay, so it got like a nice little spray to it. That's good. Y'all see how crazy this wig look? Okay, so normally when I detangle my hair, I like to start from the ends and work my way to the top. So hopefully let's get y'all. This thing working pretty fast. Okay, y'all. Y'all see that? Look how that look already. Look at y'all. Look at this side compared to that. Yeah, I'm glad I did it like this first. It smells really good. It don't feel, the leave-in don't feel like it's weighed down. Y'all, these tracks is very loose. It do make the hair feel really soft. Oh my god, it smells so good. Y'all, can y'all see that? How it just... And this detangling brush is definitely helping. Okay, y'all, I'm glad I did it this way. I think it definitely, me doing it this way was definitely cut down my shampoo time. This is how bad I gotta revamp this wig. Look at that track. Y'all see that? This is definitely gonna be a wig revamp. So far, if I had to rate the leave-in, it's definitely a 5 out of 5 for me. It didn't even take much for me to detangle this wig. Okay, so just like the leave-in, the shampoo do have a nice smell to it. The scent is not overbearing, so that's a good thing. I got my bucket of water right here. It do have some lukewarm water in it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and dip my wig in here. So I am going to be using my detangling brush if I have to. Y'all, I miss making tutorials like this. And look, I know that leave-in worked because it is so easy for me to comb out this wig, even in the water. So, I'm definitely gotta get the bigger size to that leave-in. And we about to put this shampoo to the test. Y'all, anytime I wash my wigs, I cannot detangle or brush my wigs in no water. I'm gonna use shampoo. I do like the color of it. It smells really good. I think I should have. Okay. So. The shampoo is lathering up really good. I don't feel like the shampoo is stripping my wig. You know how when you use certain shampoos and it make your wig feel like it's stripped? I don't get that. Look how that wig just lather up like that. The problem area was definitely this closure, because it looked like a hot mess. Look how easy it is to brush this wig out. Look at that. And I'm just taking out whatever excess water is in the wig. So I'm going to go ahead and spray the leave-in conditioning detangler. Gonna see how the wig detangles on wet hair. So start from the bottom. Just work my way up. So far, it's detangling with no problem. Y'all, I like this stuff. And I ain't have to go section by section, lift the wig up, part the wig, nothing. All I did was brush it out and my wig is detangled. I'm not even getting no snags, and this is a loose track. It's so easy for me to brush over there. The wig is already dried and I started fixing the tracks. So this is the worst track that already came out. My needle is already thread, so I am going to start stitching these tracks back on. Guys, so this is the final look on how the wig turned out. You guys know I don't really do baby hairs, so I am still learning, but I need you guys to let me know, what do you guys use for your baby hairs, because that got to be glue and glowing. These two products done transformed this whole entire wig. I mean, it transformed this whole entire wig. Janet don't realize they saved your girl some coins, because I swear to y'all, I was going to go out and buy a whole new wig. Please excuse the noise in the background. They are doing construction. It's like every time I want to record, these people are doing construction. Like, I don't get it. but you guys know how the city do. First of all, the smell of the products, it smells so good. Leave-in conditioning detangling spray, it left the hair feeling super soft. Like, the hair was so soft. Now, before I washed the hair, it really felt like the hair was stale. That's the only way I could put it. It felt like the hair was stale. The hair didn't have no softness to it. And I think I had this wig for maybe close to 2 years, maybe. But after using these two products, the wig feels so soft. Now, when I used the shampoo, the wig did not tangle. It did not clump together. It was super easy for me to shampoo the hair without any problems. I did cut a little bit of one of my tracks, and a couple of my tracks I did start to go through the weft, but I am not receiving no type of shedding, no type of anything, no snags, no tangles, no nothing. I definitely have to go find these products. I'm not too sure if they are sold in the store yet. I know they did just drop this month, but if I cannot find them in the store, I will be on the website and ordering some bottles for me and my mom. I already told my mom about these two products, and she already got her wigs lined up for me to revamp, wash, and do for her. So I am super excited that Janet Collection did send me these products, and now I don't have to worry about reaching for no organic shampoo, because this two products are now going to be my staple. They do not cost that much money. I feel like they are budget friendly, but I'm going to leave all the information down below in the description box so you guys can check it out. And I'm going to leave all the information for Janet Collection so you guys could go out and check out their Instagram to see whatever new wigs they are dropping, whatever new products like this they are dropping, because I feel like if you are a wig lover, you need this in your stash. Like, I'm not saying this because they sent it to me. I'm saying this because this is the God honest truth. Like, y'all seen how crusty and dusty this wig looked. This wig, it looked like a bird nest. It didn't have no type of shine, no type of luster, and nothing to it. And then after I used these two products, y'all, my wig snapped back completely. Okay, so eventually I will be trying these two products out on a synthetic wig just to see how it works. But like I said, I'm going to leave all the information down below in the description box where you guys can go ahead and purchase these two items. And if you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to hit that like button as well as hit that subscribe button, and make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so when I do drop another video, you guys won't miss it. But I hope you guys stay safe and be blessed, and I'll talk to you guys later.